Hello everyone, it's me, your Vijay sir, and welcome to your social science class.
Dear children, today we are going to learn Lesson 8 Europe Location and Physical Features, Class 7 Geography. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world. In the past, the Europeans have explored, discovered, and colonized places in almost every continent. Children, you know Christopher Columbus? He's an Italian explorer who discovered America. The British, the Dutch, Portuguese, and many European countries have colonized places in almost every continent. Europe, through its history, economy, religious beliefs, political ideas, and various scientific and technological developments, have strongly influenced the world. It is responsible for the progress made by the world during the past 300 years. Children, now let's learn about Europe location and extent. Europe lies entirely in the North Temperate Zone. It extends from about 35 degrees north latitude in the south to 72 degrees north latitude in the north, and from about 25 degrees west longitude in the west to 65 degrees east longitude in the east. Europe is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. Now let's see the water bodies in the north, children. White Sea, Barents Sea, Arctic Ocean, Norwegian Sea, North Atlantic Ocean, North Sea, Baltic Sea, Gulf of Finland, Gulf of Bothnia. To the west, you have the English Channel, Bay of Biscay. To the south, you have the Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea. The Ural Mountains in the east and the Caucasus Mountains and the Caspian Sea in the southeast separate Europe from Asia. The Strait of Gibraltar separates Europe from Africa. Europe looks like a peninsula extending westwards of the Asiatic landmass. Children, you know what is a peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. In fact, Europe is called Peninsula of Peninsulas. This is because large arms of seas have penetrated deep into the land and have created smaller peninsulas. Children, before we get to know more about Europe, let us do mapping skills. Europe countries. Order 1, children. Portugal, Spain, Andorra, Monaco, France. Luxembourg, Belgium, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Ireland, and Iceland. Order 2, children. Denmark, Germany, Liechtenstein, Switzerland, Italy, San Marino, Vatican City, and Malta. Children, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Order 3, children. Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Austria, Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, and Turkey. Order 4, children. Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Montenegro, Kosovo, Albania, Macedonia, and Greece. Order 5, children. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. Again, you have a small part of Russia here, children. Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. Children, learn all the European countries in these 5 orders. Children, now let's learn about the political divisions of Europe. Europe has 50 independent countries. Most of the countries are grouped together according to their location, physiography, it means, children, physical geography, or political affiliations, mean bonding, children, and referred to by a distinct name. Let us see what are the different names. Observe the orange color countries, children. Norway, Sweden, and Denmark are called Scandinavia. Sometimes Finland and Iceland are also included in this group. The United Kingdom and Ireland are called the British Isles. Isles mean, children, islands. Belgium, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg are called the Low Countries. These countries are also called the Benelux countries. BE for Belgium, NE for Netherlands, and Lux for Luxembourg. France, the United Kingdom, Ireland, and the Low Countries, that is, Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg, together are called the West European countries. Germany, Poland, Czech Republic, Switzerland, Austria, Slovakia, and Hungary are called Central European countries. Spain and Portugal, along with Andorra, are called Iberia. Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Serbia, Romania, Kosovo, Albania, Macedonia, Bulgaria, Greece, and European part of Turkey are called the Balkans. The former Soviet Union, USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, collapsed in the year 1991 and broke up into 15 independent republics. Of this, Russia lies in both Europe and Asia, children. The 9 republics which are located in Europe are Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. The other 5 republics are in Asia, children. They are Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tajikistan. Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania are called the Baltic states. Andorra, Monaco, Liechtenstein, San Marino, Vatican City, and Malta are called the tiny nations. Children, under more to know, let us learn about the European Union. 27 European countries have joined together to form the European Union, also called the EU. The basic objectives behind the formation of European Union was to provide economic and political cooperation among the member countries and thus to avoid conflict. Euro is the common currency used by the members of the European Union. Children, please remember that the United Kingdom left the European Union on 31st January 2020. Children, watch the below video link and learn Europe countries and capitals.